Hello everyone. Hello. Freddy here. I am walking around our property, making sure that everything is looking good. And I just thought I'd speak with you guys a little bit because I will be uploading a video on the Philippines and some of the things that we're going to be doing over there. I have been speaking with some of the friends that we have at the Philippines, and it looks like we're going to be heading over there sometime in July, probably August, but it's one of those 2 months. So I am looking forward to that. So I would like for you guys that are from the Philippines that are listening to me today to comment. We are going to Cebu. And I know that many of the words that are utilized in the Filipino Tagalog language are from Spanish. From the time when the Spaniards had the island under their control. And it's to me somehow interesting that you guys, although you had the Spaniards there in the islands for a long time, you did not pick up the Spanish language as a language to be used in a daily basis. As a matter of fact, you guys speak English very well, and my contact with the Filipinos that I know, none of them speak Spanish. Some words that y'all use in Filipino are words that are from the Spanish language, but most Filipinos, I would say 99.9%, do not speak Spanish. They speak Tagalog or they speak English. So, very interesting. We're going to be over there, like I said, this summer. And I am starting to look at some of the Tagalog words. So maybe I can learn a little bit of Filipino so I can show some respect to you all when I speak with you. But mainly, I am going to be speaking in English. I speak English, I speak Spanish fluently, and I speak French, although my French is not that great. It was a language that was spoken in my house when I was small. So there's some memories of the language, but I really need to brush up on it. So don't count on me speaking French if that's what you want me to do. We will be spending probably about 10 days there in Cebu. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you all. From where are you listening in the Philippines? Write on the comments today. And like I said, I'm going to be uploading a video that has to do with our trip to the Philippine Islands. So let me know, besides Cebu, what other places can I go visit while I'm there. We'll be there, like I said, about 10 days. So I really would like to go to as many places as I can. And I was told not to go to Manila. Not to go to Manila because Manila is kind of wild. A lot of traffic. It's a little chaotic. So all my Filipino friends have told me we're not going to Manila. So what do you guys think? Where should we go? How about giving me some pointers. Maybe we can hop on a plane or boat. I'm not quite sure how to get from one island to the other, but you can tell me on the comments and help me out with that. Okay, so I'll be seeing you this summer. We will continue with these videos throughout the months, and wait for tomorrow to upload a video that has to do with some of the work we're going to be doing over there in the Philippines. If you want to contact me personally, you can do it through WhatsApp. My number is 787-406-6464. That's WhatsApp, 787-406-6464. Dr. Freddy here. God bless you. Take care.